Hey everyone, in this video we are going to add the circle and push-pull the circle to create the nose in SpongeBob in SketchUp for Schools. So how we're going to start this is, if you're not, once again, on your top view, this is where we want to be on our top view whenever we're creating 2D kind of style so far. We want to be over here, middle icon, remember, in your scenes is that top view, that selection right here. Now, getting into what we had before, we have this intersection. That's where we're going to make our circle. Getting to the circle tool should be as easy as clicking the letter C on your keyboard. And for some reason, mine didn't work there, but that should work for you. It does when I'm not recording. Something must be going on that way. But now going to my circle, which is over starting the rectangle tool, same spot, same tool set, select. And then I'm going to come into my intersection, and remember, clicking and making circles, if you want the endpoints to end at the 90 locations, meaning straight out, straight up, straight down, we want to select and then go straight up or straight out. When you click here, we want to get ready to type in a number. And that's the one thing I forgot to look for, was how big is this circle, the diameter of it, or the radius from our blueprint. So coming over here, what we have in the middle is we have a circle. Oh, it doesn't even have a call out. All right. The thing I'll notice here is it looks very similar to our 50 here, just a little bit smaller. I believe, if I remember right, it is a 40. All right, so it's 20 millimeters. Okay, it's missing the column in the blueprint though. Oops. Now going over here, once again, we're just typing in 20. Remember, we're entering radius, we're looking, and then the diameter, hitting enter. All right. Now, going from our SpongeBob, just to kind of quickly look, that looks relative to what we want. Okay. Now, the next thing is we're going to end up push-pulling our nose. Okay, so how far we need to push-pull it will be over here on the right-hand side of the blueprint, showing our depth. In our orthographic side view, we can see 100 millimeters is from the edge of our, or the front top piece of his face, and we want to pull that up 100. So coming into our SketchUp, we want to, whenever we're using the push-pull tool, once again, we want to go ISO view. All right, and then from there we want to go into our push-pull. I believe it's the letter P selection that worked that time, and then we want to click, slide in the direction we want it to go. You can click again if you want to, but we're going to type in 100 and then hit enter. All right, now if we hit our ISO view, if we go back to our top view, we can see what we've done. All right, both ways that way. And once again, just checking to make sure we have everything looking relatively the same. All right, in our top ISO view right here, we have the same piece. Ours is just laying down right now. We can flip that up later. All right, that's how you make the nose. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.